Hello, today's topic is the examples of the custom elements created by families, and I will showcase the following examples: rails, curtain walls, and columns. The rail is a custom element by the family. To create that custom railing element, I need to start off by a Revit family template which contains the basic information about that family or element. In our case, I need to create a top rail, bottom rail, and balusters. Railing handrail pipe is my template. Edit type, duplicate, I would rename it rail structure, edit. I will keep only rail 1 as a top rail and rail 5 as a bottom rail. Rail 2, delete. Before setting the height of the top rail and bottom rail, we should do some analysis to the design configurations of the custom rail. The bottom rail, the top rail, and this is the height of my bottom rail from base level to the top level of the bottom rail, and the height of balusters is 90 centimeters. And the height of my top rail is from base to the bottom level of the top rail, which is 1 meter. The depth of the top rail is 0.1 meter, but the height is 1 meter. So the height of the top rail is measured from the base till the bottom level of the top rail. Its thickness or its depth is from the bottom level of the top rail to its top level. Now I'm going to set my heights confidently. Click on my railing system, edit type, and rail structure, edit. I know that the rail 1, which is the top rail, should be at 1 meter as per our analysis. And there is a message saying rail height is higher than the top rail element height. To respond properly to that message, I would say cancel, and then in that top rail I will set use top rail to be no instead of yes, and then go back to rail structure, edit, OK, and now I can set that height to be 1 meter. That height, as per our design analysis, should be 0.1 meter. The current rail profile is circular handrail 1. We need to create our own custom profile family. Hit File tab, New, Family, choose Profile Rail. I'm going to create the profile of the top rail. So this is the area where I should create the profile. And I'm going to create the profile by going to line, for example. I have finished creating my profile of the top rail and save that as a family by name top rail family example 1 in my local drive. Now I need to load that profile into my project. Load into project. Revit is asking, do you want to load into the project custom element by family RVT file? I will check that project, edit type, and rail structure, edit. For the top rail, I will be choosing the profile that I have just loaded into my project, which is top rail family example 1. Apply. Same process will be followed for the bottom rail profile. I will change the circular handrail 1 into my own profile. File, New, Family. Now please pay attention that the area we should create our profile of the bottom rail to be here. So from line, I finished creating the profile of the bottom rail, saved in my local drive, and now load into my project. Rail structure, edit. I'm going to load the one I have just created. Bottom example 2. Apply. To create our own balusters, we hit baluster placement, edit. The current baluster is baluster round 1. To create that baluster, hit File, New, Family, Baluster. I will set that height to be, as per our design analysis, to be 0.9 meter. We need to create a mass, not a profile, and so create. My mass should be created by revolve. I need to create a closed loop. Line. This is my axe. And finish edit mode. Save as family and then load back into my project. Baluster placement, edit. Now I'm going to load the created mass or created balusters. Also for the post start corner end post, I will load the baluster that I have created. Then the base need to be set to rail 5. The top base need to be set to rail 1. To create custom curtain walls, I have duplicated the original curtain wall storefront Revit family into my own duplicated storefront custom family. Select, edit type. I'm going to change the vertical mullions to become my own custom mullions. File, New, Family, and Profile. Profile RFT and open. Create my profile from line and ellipse. So after creating the profile, I should save it and load into my project. Select my duplicated family. By tab from keyboard, I'm trying to select one mullion. Unpin it. This is rectangular mullion family. So I need to edit type, duplicate. This is the rectangular custom mullion of my own. Now from profile, I will load the one I have just created, the profile of custom mullion family example 1. The oval profile. Go back again and select my duplicated storefront custom family and edit type. The vertical mullions. I can easily choose my rectangular custom mullion. For that particular mullion, I need to change its type to our own custom mullion type. The custom columns, architectural, column, load family, columns. Choose for example that type and open. Double click and create our own custom type of column. For example, go to floor plan. I can change its profile into any other profile. As usual, save and load into my project. My own custom column.